Why did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar rejected Islam and Christianity and decided to embrace Buddhism? What were his thoughts on Abrahamic religions? And why nearly 4 lakh people followed him in this historic decision on October 14, 1956 at Nagpur's Diksha Bhumi? Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, the architect of Bharat's constitution, studied all major religions including Islam and Christianity for decades before making his choice to embrace Buddhism and formed a new branch from the religion, naming it as Navayana Buddhism. But why did he reject Islam? Dr. Ambedkar, in his book Pakistan or the Partition of India, criticized the Islamic religion and faith, stating that Islam works like a closed group, clearly separating Muslims from non-Muslims, and this separation is strong, deliberate, and creates a sense of division. He even criticized its laws for mistreatment of women, its divorce laws, and its allowance of polygamy, which he considered backward, thus rejecting to embrace Islam. Criticizing the Islamic Brotherhood, Ambedkar in the chapter 10 of the book stated that calling Islam a universal brotherhood is misleading as it is a brotherhood of Muslims for Muslims only. He further added that for non-Muslims there is nothing but contempt and enmity. Similarly, on Christianity, Ambedkar observed how it worked in India. In the same book, he noted that Christians in India had neither caste destroyed nor equality created. He believed that if he got converted to Christianity, it would often mean depending on foreign missionaries, and that Christianity has the religion but not the fraternity. He feared Dalits would remain socially sidelined if they converted to Christianity only under a new religious banner. And then came Buddhism, based on liberty, equality, fraternity, with roots in Bharat. Ambedkar created a new path, Navayana Buddhism, making it a modern religion of social justice and dignity. For millions of Dalits, this new Buddhism became a revolution, and on that day, Ambedkar and his followers embraced Buddhism, rejecting both Christianity and Islam. Since then, every year on October 14th, Dhammachakra Pravartan Day is observed to commemorate the bold decision made by Dr. Ambedkar, and even today, a large number of Ambedkarites embrace Buddhism on this day.